Boss lady, handle my business before I chase behind a nigga about my paper. But you don't get it. Can't be broken, be this sexy. Do you feel me? I rock with bosses, clicked up, glowed out, tripped up. Turn your party to a movie. If you.
Hi everyone, so today I'll be doing a review again, well, an install on my unit that I got from YS Wigs Hair Company. I'll link a clip of this unit before when I first got the unit. So, as you see the previous unit, and I dyed the ends of it, as you can see, so it's not like a full-on solid color. I dyed the tips of the unit to a brown color, and it's just the tips of it. And the reason why it's like this, because I put mousse on it so the curls can last, but I'm going to brush it out. But this is how the unit looks with the ends, the tips of the unit dyed a brown color. The unit already comes pre-plucked, pre-bleach, but I did a little plucking myself to it. And this is the unit, the ends of the unit that I dyed. It's like a brown color, so I lifted a little with the bleach. Now I'm about to put the unit on, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.
Boss lady, handle my business before I chase behind a nigga about my paper. But you don't get it. Can't be broken, be this sexy. Do you feel me? I rock with bosses, clicked up, glowed out, tripped up. Turn your party to a movie. If you the man and you got bands, might have a chance. If not, he might not know what to do with this boss lady. Treat myself to a drink, treat myself like a queen. If he don't wanna value what I'm worth, then I tell him he can leave. Gotta pay for this, hashtag make him wait for this. High class, keep your eyes off before I damage y'all's relationship. Boss lady, I got diamond rings, I can buy anything. I'm a real true queen. Boss lady, I got diamond rings, I can buy anything. I'm a real true queen. Boss lady, I can show you how bosses roll. I can show you how bosses roll. Show you things that you will never know. Show you things that you may never know. Give a little, but I'm in control. I'm a boss lady, boy, you better know. Boss lady chronicles, won't trust, but I can't find it though. So I'm making I rock with bosses, clicked up, glowed out, tripped up. Turn your party to a movie. If you the man and you got bands, might have a chance. If not, he might not know what to do with this boss lady. Treat myself to a drink, treat myself like a queen. If he don't wanna value what I'm worth, then I tell him he can leave. Gotta pay for this, hashtag make him wait.